So I use the Glow Spray Serum in the ends. You can use it on dry hair, but also on wet hair. But it's also nice and smooth as finishing. So we're gonna make like a constructive hairdo, which makes you look really strong, especially with your outfit. And then we spray this on top to get like an extra finish and shine to the look. Then I'm gonna use the working hairspray, just to make everything nice and smooth, but still brushable. And I'm gonna use the Stronghold spray to really like define the hairs and really see like differences in the hair when I use the big comb. So I'm just finishing now with the Stronghold spray, especially here in the nape, because I want to get rid of all the tiny little hairs. It's a working hairspray on top. Good to go.
It's amazing. I love it.